Hello everybody and welcome back. This is Umair from Tutorials Hub, and today we will be discussing about how to use Paysafe Card on a PS4. So let's just get going with that. Now before we begin, there's a link in the description that you can access to simply donate to our channel, and if you do that, it is going to be highly appreciated. So make sure to go try to that. So Paysafe Card is really crucial and sometimes important to people who are using it, and to simply activate it to use a Paysafe card, the customers has to buy a special voucher with a 16-digit pin in one of the offline points of sale. So as the shopper makes purchase online, he uses the code for voucher to pay. To check the remaining balance, the customers can use the online application. So make sure that you have your online application, you log into your account there, and eventually that's how you will be able to use your Paysafe card. And it have a lot of benefits to use your card, even though if you are using in PS4 you have some different type of benefits. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, you can let us know in the comments below. I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. Stay tuned for more, subscribe, and do not forget to head over to the link in the description to donate to our channel. See you guys around in the next video.